Muthiaine wa mweri uyu nirio igeranio cia KCPE na KCSE itanyitwo kwambiriria. Na ona gutuika igeranio ici kambiriria thiku igiri tu thutha wa githurano, Minister wa Githomo Fred Matiang'i nieranĩire ati gutiri undu ona umwe ungicungiriria gucenjio kwa igeranio ici.
I want to assure you, and I want to assure the country that we will make all the sacrifices necessary to ensure that the exam is administered, conducted at the time it was scheduled to be conducted.
Niguo gwikira uhoro uyu mukonde nitumagarite na gucera mathukuru-ini matiganite niguo kumenya mehariria makinyite ku. Thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Tigoni maundu mahana tao.
Ni meciria-ini makwa ni ati uria twaritie nao kuma cancel psychologically na tukamera siasa ticiao siasa cinene ithuĩ wĩra witũ ni guthoma matikoretwo mena thĩna na nĩ turona ni meko adapt.
What I can see is that we are fully prepared, we are confident, and whatever comes forth, we know that we will be able to make it through the KCPE and that even the grades will be appeasing.
Thutha ucio nitucerire thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Murengeti na ona kuo arutwo ni mehariirie kuigana.
Ciana iria twina ciana 78 78 na nitumahariirie biũ arimũ ni merutagira biũ kuuga kiroko tene na kuma late in the evening nigetha at least performance iko njega.
As a class 8 we are very much prepared for the exam. We have been doing a lot of tests at about 10 or 20, and so our teachers have always been on our side in each and every question, so we are more than prepared for the exam even if it comes tomorrow.
Muthia twatirihira thabari itu thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Kamandura.
Ithuĩ ta Kamandura Girls nĩ twarĩrĩtie airetu wega kuma January twamenyete nĩ megwĩka KCSE koguo nĩ tuma prepared wega maitiari.
We are also working hard despite the commotions that will be going on in our country. That is not going to make us fail our exams.
Ona kuhana ro uguo arutani ni moritie thirikari kugacirithia thayo niguo gutigirira igeranio ici itinatharario ni maundu ma kiuteti.
We ask for sobriety during this particular period because of the political situations, and we are hoping that peace will be there when our students will be sitting for the exams, the KCPE.
Yes, as we maintain peace during this election period, our children will be given ample time, to do their exams because they are well prepared.
Mwena-ini wao arutwo ni monanitie ucamba makihoka kugia na maumirira mega. Mehariria ma igeranio cia KCSE na KCPE no marathii nambere. Arutwo aria maratanya kwambiriria igeranio ici muthia-ini wa mweri uyu makihoka ati ruhuo rwa kiuteti ruria ruri kuo bururi-ini kahinda-ini gaka rutigathararia igeranio ici na njira o yothe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Kamandura, yetagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.